Part 3. What year is it? The next morning arrived with a gentle drizzle. Tiny raindrops painted the station platform silver as commuters hurried beneath umbrellas, trying to escape the cold. Mia smiled the moment she stepped onto platform 3. Asher was already there, leaning against the same pillar, waiting. You were right, he said with a grin. About what? You really do look happier when it rains. Mia laughed. And how would you know that? I've been paying attention. She shook her head. You're impossible. So I have been told. The familiar warmth between them made the crowd station feel strangely peaceful. For a while they talked about everything and nothing. Their favorite childhood memories, dream vacations, the best hot chocolate in the city. Every conversation felt effortless, as if time itself slowed down whenever they were together. Then, without warning, Asher became quiet. His smile faded. He looked at Mia as though he were trying to solve a puzzle. Can I ask you something? She nodded. Anything. He hesitated. It was such an ordinary question, yet the way he asked it made her heart beat a little faster. What year is it? Mia blinked. What? The year. She laughed softly. That's your big question? I'm serious. She studied his face. He wasn't joking. It's 2026. The color drained from Asher's face. For a long moment, he didn't say a single word. Finally, he whispered, No. Mia frowned. What do you mean, no? He slowly reached into his pocket and unlocked his phone. My calendar says today is. He turned the screen towards her. 17 October 2027. Mia stared at it, then she quickly pulled out her own phone. 17 October 2026. Her smile disappeared. The same day, the same month, different years. This has to be some kind of prank, she whispered. I wish it was. Neither of them noticed the train arriving. Neither of them noticed the crowd pushing past. The world around them faded into the background. There must be an explanation, Mia said. There has to be. Asher looked around the platform. Tell me something. What? What's that cafe called? She looked across the tracks. The Morning Bean. Asher frowned. It isn't. What? In my ear? It's called Luna Cafe. Mia stared across the platform. The sign clearly read, The Morning Bean. She looked back at Asher. What color is the sign? He answered without hesitation. Dark blue. Mia's heart skipped a beat. It's green. Silence. They were looking at the same cafe, but seeing two different futures. A train thundered past between them. The wind rushed across the platform. For just a second, everything blurred. The cafe sign flickered. Green, blue, green again. Mia's breath caught. She had seen it. For one impossible heartbeat, she had seen a Shazir.